The easiest way to keep your steam oven clean is with the steam cleaning program. Steam cleaning allows for faster cleaning while avoiding undesirable odors that can result from self-cleaning methods. Hot steam dissolves food residue and spills, making them easy to wipe off. The steam cleaning process takes about 30 to 35 minutes to complete and cannot be paused or stopped once it begins. The oven will not operate again until the rinse cycle is complete in order to ensure no cleaning agent remains inside. Remove all accessories from the cooled oven and clean the evaporator dish with a cleaning sponge. Next, fill the water tank to the max line and insert it into the slot. Once the water tank is in place, add a drop of dishwashing liquid to the evaporator dish. To start the cycle, select Settings, navigate to Steam Clean, press Enter, and then Yes. Once the first cycle is complete, the countdown will pause and the oven will make a small notification sound. The display will prompt you to refill the water tank. Remove the water tank and wash it thoroughly. Refill the tank and slide it back in. Thoroughly wipe off the rack rails, the interior of the oven, and the evaporator dish with a cleaning sponge. Empty the contents of the water tank and replace into the oven. Press Enter to start the rinse cycle. You will know the program has restarted when the display reads Steam Clean. Once the rinse cycle has completed, the oven will beep to notify you of the end of the program. The display will read Clean Steam Dish. Wipe any remaining water from the evaporator dish and oven with a well-rinsed cleaning sponge, and then dry the oven cavity with a soft cloth. Finish the steam cleaning program by pressing Enter. Your Bosch steam oven is now clean and ready to be used.